Yo, what's up people? Arji, aka the leader, aka the merrymaker, aka your teacher for the next 5 minutes. Today, we're talking about the art of freestyle. Have you ever heard of freestyle before? Freestyle could be about freestyle dance, like if you bust any move you like. It could be about freestyle painting, where you just paint anything you like. Or today, it could be about freestyle rap. Freestyle rap is about thinking up rap on the spot. That means just inventing anything that comes to your mind. Now, sometimes freestyle rap, it can be really, really good. And all your friends will turn to you and say, wow, that's really good. And all the people will think you're really popular and an outgoing person with a GSOH. That stands for good sense of humor. But on other days, your freestyle could be really, really rubbish. And everyone could look at you with a look of disdain and really think that you're a rubbish MC who can't freestyle. But the truth is, freestyle is all about you being in the present and having a really good time doing your thing. That's the most important thing about today. Today, I'm going to rap you a freestyle, a special one-off rap. I've never rapped it before and I'll never rap it again. And to prove that, I'm going to ask my friend Oscar to write down 3 words. Those 3 words he has not told me before. Have you told me those 3 words before?
I have not, no.
You've got the pen though?
Yep.
Brilliant. And you're going to be as inventive as you like to create those 3 words. Great. We've got tennis, well-known sport, just to clarify, not the other type of tennis. We've got carpet. And we've got walls. Really, a very homely feel today. So we've got tennis, we've got carpet, and we've got walls. Sometimes to freestyle, it's good to get a crew in. And in this place, we've got just one man in my crew. It's Oscar. So he's going to play a 4-chord loop, and we're just going to see what happens as I freestyle about carpet, walls, and tennis. Cool. I spit it very profound. Let me get in zone with a merry-go-round. I spit the scariest sound, guaranteed to get down. I'm the sort of brother, got my lyrics dropping in sounds. Once I start a fire, always seem to start it crazy like that. I get dog poo on the carpet. It goes right into the rug. I turned to my mama, I said, Mama, give me some love. She gives me that cool spray. I put it on and everything is okay. I said, Mom, you can't even harm it. She said, son, don't ever get doo-doo in the carpet. It's crazy like that. I'm a damn menace. I bounce off the wall like the balls do in tennis. I'm crazy. I'm a mad boy. Some people like to call me John McEnroy. That's not even his name. It doesn't really matter. It's freestyle. It's strange. And sometimes I always want to stop you. I take it like Federer, or should I call him Roger? He hits it right from the baseline. Trust me, man. My face is fine. If you were worried about that, it's impossible. Here comes the chorus, about to put you in a hospital. We got tennis, carpet and walls, and a song guaranteed to enthrall. Tennis and carpet and walls. We got a song guaranteed to enthrall. It goes tennis, carpet and walls. We got a sound that is bound to enthrall. Tennis and carpet and walls. I'm going to do the final word though. Here we go. Yo, this is for the people, big and small. I'm about to tell you about many different walls. Walls that keep you alone, the sort of walls that don't open up, that are around your home. But then walls that make a body hungry. Walls that cross across countries. Sometimes when you're dropping your flow and you see a wall between US and Mexico, it's crazy like that. Fully off the scale, walls that break down all types of detail, never fail to set sail, a ship into a wall, and keep a whole crowd just totally enthralled. That's how we always break sounds, take a wall, and then break it down. Forget about the walls, we lift it to the sky. Here comes the chorus, no reason to ask why. We got walls, tennis, and a carpet. Once we start rhyming, we always start it. Got walls, tennis, and a carpet. Finish at the finish, but remember to start it. Walls, tennis, and a carpet. Everybody knows we got it licked. Say walls, tennis, and carpet. It's the end of my rap, and this rap's been sick. Wow. It was good. We talked about doo-doo and carpet there. All high art. Well, when we're talking about freestyle and rap, we can also talk about freestyle with instruments. Sometimes they call that improvisation. And right now, Oscar's here with his guitar. So I wondered, Oscar, do you ever improvise with your guitar?
All the time.
What are the things you like about improvising?
I like not knowing what's going to happen next and just a feeling of freedom while I'm doing it.
Brilliant. That freedom is something I'm really interested in. Not just in rap, but in all different types of instruments. So what I thought right now is that I could give you, Oscar, 3 words, and you could perhaps improvise or freestyle around those 3 words. What do you think?
Cool.
Okay, I've put hurricane, I've got basketball, and I got car.
Yeah.
So you're going to freestyle or improvise around the hurricane. Go for it. Wow, that was a cool hurricane. I saw things coming from different directions and I like it. On this one, we're going to think about basketball. Do you ever play basketball?
I do sometimes, yeah.
Oh yeah, great. Okay then. Yeah, go with whatever feels right for the word basketball. I like that one. That was good.
I was trying to bounce a little.
Yeah, it had the bounce. It felt like an advert for basketball. Finally, we're on to car. Rolling fast, you know, top down, Route 66. Take us there. How can you freestyle or improvise at home? That could mean picking up an instrument you've never played before, thinking of a word and jamming out whatever comes to your mind. Or if you fancy yourself as a rapper or a poet, you could just see what comes to your mind when you think about a certain word and rap it or write it down. It's all about being in the present, and the most important thing is to find your flow. And when you find your flow, you'll know because you'll be having fun. Thanks, Oscar.
Nice one, Arji.
See you later.